Welcome. Let's look at this question. Why the uvula? Before answering this question, what is the uvula? The uvula is a fleshy extension of the soft palate that is seen hanging above the throat. So this is the uvula. The uvula may look like a structure that is not relevant within the body, but it does have its own function that it presents in the body. The uvula is seen with a large number of salivary glands which help to produce saliva. And saliva, we know that it helps in the lubrication of the oral cavity and also the throat. Also, the uvula helps to direct the path of food particles down the GI tract, thereby preventing it from going up into the nasal cavity. And finally, it aids phonation, which means that it contributes to the production of sound. So we're also able to speak due to the support that is being received by the uvula. So we can see that the uvula, even though it looks like a structure that is not really relevant in the body, but it has a number of functions that it also exhibits to support body functions. Thanks for watching. Let's meet again.